This is All India Radio. Welcome Tomorrow. All India Radio, in collaboration with Vigyan Prasar, presents the science serial Welcome Tomorrow, based on myriad facets of artificial intelligence. Time now to listen to the 13th episode entitled Artificial Intelligence and the Art of Handwriting Recognition.
Your tea. Now will you come to the table or must I bring the cup to your lips?
Don't worry, Mom. Even that is being arranged.
Huh?
Do you know? Because of the fears of coronavirus, people have designed robots to serve in the restaurants. So, no fear of COVID-19 infection and no need to pay the wages.
Was life any better than a machine? Running here and there all the time. And now these robots.
Exactly.
By the way, I forgot to tell you. The landlord called yesterday for the rent.
Huh?
Yes.
The same story every month. And this lockdown has really crippled everything.
Yes.
Business is slow, so my employer too is delaying paying our wages.
But can't we get a home of our own, beta? Can't we apply for a loan?
Yes, Papa. That way, this issue of paying rent every month will not trouble us anymore.
And we will not have to face the attitude of the landlord. As if he has hosted us for free.
You are correct, Santosh, but...
What but?
understand, please. From where will I lay my hands on such a large amount?
Huh?
Even if I add all my savings and the amount of my PPF, it will not suffice to cover even a fraction of the cost.
But, Papa, there are so many advertisements in the newspapers about easy home loans. The Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana offers discounts on the interest too.
Son, I know for sure. Your father will happily spend the rest of his days in a rented house like this. God bless the landlord who has let us remain here for 10 years.
At least in this aspect we have been lucky.
Look, this is serious, huh? We have to make efforts. Or else how are we going to succeed? See, if necessary, I don't mind parting with my jewelry to help pay for the house, huh?
Mom, remember that saying that we need to pull up our socks if we are aiming for success.
True, beta. I promise. We will celebrate the festive season under our own roof this year.
Mom, my friend knows a property dealer. He deals in buying, selling and renting out properties.
That's good.
Shall we fix an appointment with him on this Sunday?
Well, you two are in the majority.
Yes.
So, okay. Pratap, do one thing.
Yes, Papa.
Call him and fix an appointment.
All right, Papa. I will call him up and fix an appointment for this Sunday only.
Call him right now, beta.
Yes, Mom. Sure. Hello?
Yeah, hello?
Sham?
Pratap?
Listen to me. You once told me that you knew a property dealer. What's his name?
What do you want to buy?
My father would like to meet him this Sunday. Can you please let me know of his name and can you also give me his mobile number? Just message me all the details of his address and the number so that we can go and meet him as soon as possible. Alright?
Yeah, I'll do that. Okay.
Please, alright, bye.
Bye.
Good. The sooner the better. You did well not to waste time, my son.
Mom, brokers are all worshippers of goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth. He too will not delay to advance a business proposition.
I agree.
Papa, I've got the message from Sham. The property dealer's name is Anand. Sham has provided all the contact details here as well.
Pratap,
Yes, Papa.
beware. Property dealers can be crooked. We do not know what sort of dealer he is. I am simply afraid of running into these quarrelsome ones, or ones who will land us in trouble.
Look, in case there is a house we like, let us finalize the deal. As far as landing in trouble is concerned, we will check the official documents carefully.
Yeah, that is all right. But we do not have enough experience in these things, huh?
Papa, God helps those who help themselves. We will pay. The deed will be registered and we will take the possession.
Yes.
Where is fraudulence in all these? Also, science has advanced so much that most of the criminals are caught anyways. Don't worry, Papa. I have checked out my route on a mobile application.
See, beta, where technology has reached. There is a signboard saying Anand Estate Office, huh?
Oh yeah, there it is, Papa.
Drive down by the side of the gate and then stop, okay?
Yes, Papa, sure.
Excuse me.
Namaste.
Namaste, beta. Beta, I am Ram Dayal.
Please come in, uncle.
Hello, Anand. I'm Pratap. My friend Sham told me about you.
Hi, Pratap. Please come in. Welcome.
Thank you, thank you.
Raju, get something to drink.
No, Anand, beta, listen. There is no need to go into so much trouble, okay? We ate before we started from our home.
What are you saying, uncle? This is the first time you have come to my office. And that too with my younger brother, Pratap.
Anand, thank you so much.
Son, can you get us a nice home so that we can say goodbye forever to staying in rented accommodation?
Yes, uncle. Have you given any thought about the budget?
Well, beta, with my savings and PPF, we can manage a sum of 15 lakhs.
But uncle, the amount is not enough to secure even a one-room house.
Anand, please don't dishearten us. We have come to you with a lot of hope.
Okay, Pratap. Uncle, may I take a look at your salary slip?
Yeah, sure, Anand. Here it is.
Okay. You get a consolidated sum of rupees 20,000 and you are over 55 years of age.
Yes, beta.
Even if you take a loan from a bank, that will still not be enough to pay for a two-roomed house.
Anand, you are such a well-known property dealer. Everyone knows your name. Can't you do anything about this?
Well. It reminds me. I have the paper for a property. It is in a nice location. Construction is complete. I'll take you for inspection. If you like it, we will see to it what we can do.
Sure, Anand. Let's go immediately.
Yeah, let's go. Come.
Yeah.
So,
This side, beta?
Yeah, right.
And,
Yeah, okay.
I think we have to go right.
Yeah. Now, stop. Yeah, here it is. Yeah.
So this is the Anand Lok area.
This colony is in a great demand. However, the real estate business is in doldrums. That is why the rates are so reasonable. Look, uncle. See how large the drawing room is. And there are 2 big bedrooms with attached bathrooms too.
This is good. We like the house, beta. What is the amount the party is demanding for it?
Uncle, the party is under me and in immediate need of money. I hold the power of attorney for this property. The owner has given me all the rights. You decide if you want to buy it or not. The market rate is between 65 to 70 lakhs. Not a penny less. However, I will give it to you at a cheaper rate.
Brother Anand, please don't say like that. This house is going to be ours only. Papa, Please say that you agree, na.
If my kid likes it, then I like it too. Huh? Here, Anand. This is the advance amount I had brought with me as booking price.
Thank you, uncle. Thank you. Now, consider that the house is yours. I will get you all the papers and get the registration done within the month.
Anand, beta, make sure all the papers are authentic and complete. Huh?
Uncle Ji, don't worry. I'm here. If you like, I can give you the keys. You can start staying here from tomorrow.
Such a good boy.
Come, let's go. Mubarak, uncle.
Yes,
Thank you,
please,
thank you.
please.
1 month later, the registration process is completed by Anand, who uses the power of attorney. Ramdyal and his family enter to offer house-warming puja.
Oh, Devi Ma, please bless us all. Today we are entering our new home. Yes, one's own home is after all one's own home.
Correct.
Now I will really sleep well under my own roof. Who's there so early in the morning?
Don't worry, Mom. I'll check. Who has come so early in the morning? Anand? Hi.
Hello, Pratap. How are you?
I'm fine, Anand. What a pleasant surprise. Please come in.
Thank you. Uncle had called. He wanted the documents of the house.
Come, beta, come. Anand, have you got the registration papers?
Beta, you got us a really nice home, I must say.
Auntie, all these years it was just a house. You made it a home.
Rightly said, rightly said. I had called to get the court papers.
Why do you worry, uncle? I have the photocopies and you have possession. So what are you scared about?
Look, beta, I need to submit the papers in office so that the bank loan EMI may be deducted from my salary. Now tell me, what would you like to drink?
No, nothing, uncle. Thank you so much. I must go.
Three months later, normal happy sounds of moments inside the house. Finally, I'm in Delhi. I should make some time and check out the house too. Auto wala? Hey, auto wala! Auto! Will you take me to the Anand Lok?
Yes, sir. Take your seat.
Come here. Should I come and jump in your car? Or auto? Come here. Stop. Auto wala, stop. We have arrived. Stop near that house. Please stop there.
Okay, sir.
Who has come home now? Papa, let me check. I think there is someone at the door.
Where is the lock? I locked the gate myself the last time I was here.
Sir, where are you going? And whom do you want to meet?
I'm coming to my house. What do you mean, where am I going? How did you enter my house?
Oh my God, what is happening? Why don't you go and see what the matter is?
Let me go in!
Excuse me. Listen, you look like a gentleman.
Gentlemen?
Are you sure you are not at the wrong address?
Wrong address? First you take possession of my house and then you ask if I am at the wrong address? Oh God! What is happening?
Yes, what is happening? Your house? No, we have purchased it 6 months ago from Anand property dealer.
We paid good money for this, and that too in cash.
Money? Cash? Listen, I have not sold my property. All the original papers are with me.
What?
Yes, it's with me. It will be best if you vacate my property right away before I report to the police.
Vacate the house?
Yes, please.
What do you mean? Have we got it for free? You can go to the police or wherever else you like.
Pratap, call Anand.
Absolutely, Papa. Papa, Anand is not answering my phone.
What?
Hey, listen. I'm returning to Dubai today. Vacate my house or else.
Or else, what will you do?
Oh, what will I do? I will go to the police and drag you to the court. It will mean serious trouble for all of you.
You can go wherever you like. We have the lease deed papers and the court papers as well. We have paid good money for this house, our hard-earned money. The house was not given to us for free.
Oh God, these are such terrible times. If anybody finds an unoccupied house, they simply move in, they barge in. Fear the wrath of a god. Be afraid of the law. This is an open and shut case under section 420. Listen, you won't even get bail. I will be back. I will be back. Okay. 2 weeks later, bailiff reaches the house, rings bell, door opens.
Yes? Who do you want? Huh? What is this? Pratap! Pratap, come here quickly! Oh God! Pratap, we have been served a legal notice!
What?
Yes, look at this. Read what it says.
Oh my God.
Oh no.
Ma, this is a court notice about our house.
Oh,
It alleges that we have taken possession by means of fraud.
what?
Yes, that we have resorted to trickery, cheating, and that we have also used fraudulent means to produce the documents, which are all forgeries.
Oh my God. And what about Anand? Were you able to talk to him?
I went to his office yesterday and it was locked. However, with a lot of difficulty, I managed to speak briefly with him. He says we are not to worry, that the party has given him the power of attorney, and that is how the house was sold.
Listen, we need to consult a lawyer now. I know a good defense lawyer. Her name is Rajshri. Rajshri. She is very well known in her field.
Yes, Papa, you are right. She came to our college once to deliver a lecture. It was a grand lecture.
And don't forget to take the court notice with you. Be careful.
Papa, we have reached Advocate Rajshri's office.
Namaste, madam. I am Ramdayal.
Namaste, namaste. Kindly take your seat.
Madam Advocate, these are all the papers of our house.
Ramdayalji, you have told me all the details over the phone. However, since this is a criminal case of fraud, we have to take swift action.
Ma'am, Anand has duped us very badly. I remember that when you delivered a lecture in our college, you said that every criminal leaves behind some clue.
Yes. Did you attend that lecture?
Madam, this is my son Pratap. He is doing BSc in Forensic Sciences.
Then he will know that we will need to check all the documents and signatures for the signs of forgery. We will do it at the Forensic Science Laboratory. I will appeal to the court for a permission to do so.
Rajshri ji, the inquiry officer from the local police station came last week. I have stated my arguments. He was also suggesting that the authenticity of the documents be checked.
Oh, don't fret. The police will get everything done once the court orders it. Yes. Look, the registration, the lease deed have been done on the basis of the power of attorney. We need to verify the authenticity of the signature. That is, we need to see if the signature belongs to Ramakrishna or someone else.
Rajshri ji, my life saving is at stake here.
I understand.
Not to mention the bank loan on top of it.
You were cheated, Ramdayalji. But repose your trust in the judiciary.
But Rajshri ma'am, how do we check the authenticity of the signatures?
Pratap, specialists will check the way the letters and the words are formed. The size of the letters, the slant, and the way the letters are formed will also be checked.
But Rajshri ji, there must be hundreds of forgers in this world whose entire business rides on their trickery.
You are correct. Some forgers are so good that they can even deceive the best of the experts.
In your lecture, you mentioned about artificial intelligence or AI.
Quite right. Technology has advanced so far that we can spot and catch even the most expert forger.
Fantastic! Then the forger cannot escape this time. Smart technology will surely triumph.
Yes, artificial intelligence has a big role to play here. This is a device that can convert handwriting, signature, typing, ink, and illustrations into data.
God, this is a cat and mouse game.
But the culprit always loses in the end.
How strange that the machine understand it all.
Papa, I think this is what we call as machine learning.
Quite right. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. It combines psychology and biology and uses a knowledge of statistics to reach its conclusion.
I think the same applies with our fingerprints too.
Don't worry, Papa. Please don't worry. Anand will not be able to escape this time.
Pratap is correct, Ramdayalji. Either Anand or Ramakrishna. One of them is lying for sure.
I think here too a computer algorithm will play a major role.
You are right. Algorithms have a role to play in this as well.
Madam Ratri, I have read that there are many applications for signature and handwriting recognition which are available all over the various market portals.
Quite right. Let me demonstrate using this phone. This is an optical character recognition application that is used across the globe. It works in conjunction with the camera installed in a smartphone to recognize written text.
Yes, Madam Ratri. Even many Indian companies are working in this direction. And it is a wonderful step forward in the Make in India initiative of the Government of India. Really, this is a major leap for technology.
I must say, internet is slowly infiltrating every aspect of life.
Yes, this is also a major achievement in writing recognition software.
Wow. The achievements of artificial intelligence are really spectacular.
Rashi ji, we have come to you with a great deal of hope.
Ramdayalji, you are innocent. I will do my best to secure justice for you.
It took us years, but praise the Lord, we got justice. Rashri madam used technology to smash the web of lies that was constructed to tamper with the power of attorney.
Ramdayalji, Anand had linked everything in a sophisticated manner, but modern technology had no trouble exposing his fabrications. The signature on the power of attorney belongs to Ramakrishna, no doubt, because he transferred it to Anand many years ago so that the house could be placed on rent.
But Papa, justice is justice. The court has delivered justice to Sri Ramakrishna ji as well.
Yes, so it has. Ramakrishna had given him the power of attorney over his property many years ago. This part was found to be authentic because the signature truly is that of Ramakrishna's. However, Sri Anand did not pay Sri Ramakrishna his dues. That has to be fully refunded by Anand along with the due interest.
So both the parties, right? That is to say that Ramakrishna ji did not check the signature on the documents of the power of attorney, and Anand took advantage of this to play this dirty game with us.
Yes, that's right. So both of them are at fault. Yet, maybe not.
But how is that?
You have to understand that trickery and fraud cannot always win. We have such devices today that can scan and alter whatever you have written with your pen.
But you cannot always keep trying the same trick and expect to win.
Innovation.
Yes, but there are many devices and apps with which forged signatures, distorted documents, and fraudulent changes in original documents can be detected.
Madam Rachri, you spoke just now about devices and apps. You also mentioned these in the lecture you gave at our college, remember?
There are various such applications. These are cross-platform note-taking apps, PDF annotation tools, a digital scrapbook, much like the colorful notebooks of yours. You can use these to give handwriting a digital shape.
Yes, Madam Rachri. Even I have one such application in my phone. I use it to scan and edit handwritten notes.
Yes, I'm sure that document writers and clerks in this court campus also have these applications in their mobiles. It not only saves time, but also minimizes mistakes.
Thank you so much, Rashri madam. Madam, we are beholden to you for securing justice for us. We have become your fans.
Rightly said, Papa. And Rajshri ma'am also explained forensic science in such a simple manner.
It is such an auspicious day today. Santosh will become delirious with joy at the news. I want to see her happiness in person.
And do convey my congratulations to her.
Sure, for sure.
Absolutely, ma'am. We would like to take your leave now. Please take care and thank you so much. We have reached home at last. Mummy!
Hey, what happened?
Mom! We have won the case!
Oh, the Lord be praised.
Along with the Lord, remember that technology played a huge role too.
And Mummy has gone to present herself before God in the puja room again.
Oh, Ambi. Oh, thanks a lot.
The Devi is pleased with you. The Almighty is really happy with you. This home was yours, it is yours, and it will forever remain yours.
Welcome tomorrow. You are listening to the 13th episode of the Science Serial produced by All India Radio in collaboration with Vigyan Prasad, titled Artificial Intelligence and the Art of Handwriting Recognition. Writer Dr. R.S. Yadav. English translation Sukanya Datta. Concept and coordination Dr. Nakul Parashar and Dr. Birendra Kumar Tyagi. Produced by Pankajpati Pathak. Assistants in production Puneet Kumar. Participants Nitin Bhasin, Vaibhav Srivastav, Mamta Malkani, Divya, Nikhil Diwan and Jaideep Singh. Do stay tuned. Here are 2 questions for you. The lucky listeners will get a attractive prize from Vigyan Prasar. The first question is, how does artificial intelligence based machine recognize handwriting to help forensic criminology experts? And I repeat this question, how does artificial intelligence based machine recognize handwriting to help forensic criminology experts? And the second question of the day is, tell us 2 other uses of artificial intelligence based handwriting recognition machines. Tell us 2 other uses of artificial intelligence based handwriting recognition machines. You can send in your answers by simple post to this address, Science Serial, Welcome Tomorrow, Vigyan Prasar, A50, Institutional Area, Sector 62, Noida 201309. And you can also write to us on our email ID, that is radio@vigyanprasar.gov.in. Do write your full name and address along with your answers. And yes, if you send us any question which gets included in our program, you will get a prize from Vigyan Prasar for that too. So don't hesitate to write to us even if it's a simple query. We'll be back again very soon with our next episode of the Science Serial, Welcome Tomorrow. Till then, goodbye. This broadcast came to you from All India Radio, Delhi.